Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Today I've got a 2008 Harley Davidson Dyna Fat Bob I want to show you. This bike's got pretty nice upgrades on it with those Vance & Hines exhaust, Screaming Eagle heavy breather intake. It's got a little bit of the skull package on it here. Some of the live to ride trim up here on that filler cap. See a little scratch right there, another little scratch right here and here. That black denim paint. Upgraded with a Mustang seat, rider backrest. Got a detachable passenger backrest with luggage rack. Excellent tire on the rear. Some more of the skull package over here. We put these nice Avon grips on for you. Those are really comfortable grips. Got a detachable windshield. Just pull these levers right here and the windshield will pop right off. Got a handlebar bag here, and I opened it up and saw that this bike's got a Screaming Eagle super tuner with it as well. So this one's not all show, it's got some go to it. We ran it through the shop and checked it out. She does good. 38,395 miles. Good tire up front. Dual headlights. Front fender looks good. I'm seeing kind of marks on it, maybe a tiny little spot right there. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. Qualifies for some excellent financing. You can get a 1, 2, or 3-year extended warranty on it. Go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. We take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.